Prague Castle is a castle complex in Prague, one municipality within Prague, Czech Republic. Built in 9th century, it is the official office of the President of the Czech Republic. The castle was a seat of power for kings of Bohemia, Holy Roman emperors, and President of Czechoslovakia. The Bohemian crown jewels are kept within a hidden room inside it. According to the Guinness Book of Records, Prague Castle is the largest ancient castle in the world, occupying an area of almost 70,000 square meters at about 570 meters in length and an average of about 130 meters wide. The castle is among the most visited tourist attractions in Prague, attracting over 1.8 million visitors annually. The history of the castle began in 870, when its first walled building, the Church of the Virgin Mary, was built. The Basilica of St. George and the Basilica of St. Petrus were founded under the reign of Bertislas I, Duke of Bohemia, and his son Saint Wenceslas in the first half of the 10th century. The first convent in Bohemia was founded in the castle next to the Church of the St. George. A Romanesque place was erected here during the 12th century. Several 13th century Venetian coins found there. King Ottokar II of Bohemia improved fortifications and rebuilt the royal place for the purpose of representation and housing. In the 14th century, under the reign of Charles VI, the royal place was rebuilt in Gothic style, and the castle fortifications were strengthened. In place of the Rotunda and Basilica of St. Petrus building began of a vast Gothic church that were completed almost 6 centuries later. During the Hussite era and the following decades, the castle was not inhabited. In 1485, King Vladislas II began to rebuild the castle. The massive Vladislav Hall was added to the royal place. New defense towers were also built on the north side of the castle. A large fire in 1541 destroyed large part of the castle. Under the Habsburgs, some new buildings in Renaissance style were added. Ferdinand I built the Belvedere as a summer place for his wife Anne. Rudolph II used Prague Castle as his main residence. He founded the northern wings of the place with the Spanish Hall, where his precious art collections are exhibited. In 1918, the castle became the seat of the President of the new Czechoslovak Republic, Thomas Masaryk. The new royal place and the gardens were innovated by Slovenian architect. On March 15, 1939, shortly after Nazi Germany forced Czech President Emil Hacha, who suffered a heart attack during the negotiation, to hand his nation over the Germans, Adolf Hitler spent a night in the Prague castle, proudly surviving his new possession. After the liberation of Czechoslovakia and the coup in 1948, the castle housed the office of the communist Czechoslovak government. After Czechoslovakia split in 1993 into the Czech Republic and Slovakia, the castle became the seat of the head of the state of the new Czech Republic. The castle buildings represent many of the architectural style of the last millennium. The castle is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, an ancient symbol of the Czech state, the most significant Czech monument and one of the most important cultural institutions in the Czech Republic. That's all for today. Thank you very much everybody for watching my video.